Hey, what's going on YouTube? I am Prime Investors, back with another hot crypto project. Today we are going to check Mobirich. Project related, all the links you will get in the video description so you can check them all one by one. Before we start, a small disclaimer, this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce to you guys about the most trusted and reliable projects. You should always do your own research before investing in any project. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates from Prime Investors. So let's get started. Get paid for incoming SMS. Mobirich is a free Android application where you can earn on incoming and outgoing SMS generated by their program. Here you don't need any effort, no investment, just install their app and get paid in USDT. From here you can check how this app actually works. First you have to install the app, then make this app the default program for receiving and sending messages. And then set up a withdrawal of money through PayPal or else USDT. So the question is it legal? Here is the answer for this. We monitor the full compliance of the system with the latest requirements of the GDPR privacy policy. The application collects exclusively technical data on the quality of SMS delivery, which are specially sent through it. We do not read or use your private messages, their content, information about their senders, and so on. And here you can check why you will be getting paid by just receiving messages on your phone. So basically, SMS aggregators and SMS marketing services need to test the quality of their SMS delivery when they send them to subscribers from different countries. We pay you to use your phone number for these tests. When you receive a message in Mobirich, the program automatically records how quickly and how well the message was delivered. It's that simple. So you help them improve the quality of mobile operators, they will reward you for your help. Also, with the new version of their app, they start giving bonuses for your activity. So for example, if you haven't received test messages, then you may receive a bonus from them if you were online most of the time. So this system will work automatically. And note that this is not applicable to all countries and users. Users will be chosen according to their activity and according to Mobirich need and stable users in certain country or network. This means that they do not promise to give a bonus every day, that all depends on their need in countries. Right now Mobirich is only available on Android, so if you are an iOS or Apple user, then unfortunately you can't download this app. To download, the process is very simple. If you scroll down here, you will find QR code, simply scan the QR code, and then you can install the app on your phone. So the process is very simple. Here are some stats. Till now they have sent more than 34 million tests. They have paid to users more than 690,000 euros. And already more than 70,000 users are using their Mobirich application. If you still have some doubt, they have a FAQ section available. First is, what is the purpose of the application? Why are you paying for the messages I will receive? As I told, they are an international testing platform. Their clients are testing their message delivery paths. By installing Mobirich, you will add your phone number to their database. You will receive test messages from their platform, and they will reward you for each message you receive. You may also sell your unused SMS, this will increase your income. What personal data does the application have access to? They will only know your phone number. And in case you contact support, then they will know your email address. From here you can check how much you will get paid. You will receive 0.02 euro for each incoming message, and 0.25 euro for each of your sold outgoing SMS. And it all depends on the number of tests carried out in your country. You maybe receive 12 SMSs per day, or even some day you will not get any. But as I told before, you can get bonuses from the team if you were online most of the time. You can withdraw your earning through PayPal or else USDT. And as soon as 2 euro or more is accumulated in your account, you can withdraw them. So this is all about Mobirich. Make sure to check out this amazing project. As you know guys, we only introduce reliable and trusted projects to you. Thousands of investors are watching us daily, and always makes good money from our videos. I recommend this project to everyone, as I firmly believe this project will do awesome in coming days. So let's not waste any time. We'll post all the community and project related links to description, so go and check out. Till time, I am signing off for now. If you enjoyed video and found something interesting, then do like this video, and also drop a comment to the comment section. Your valuable feedbacks are very important for us.